Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an Android not receiving calls. If you're using an Android phone and your Android is not receiving calls, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open your settings, then go for connections, and here you have to go for SIM manager, and you have to make sure that you have enabled all SIMs here and your SIMs are in inserted correctly and working correctly as just like that. If you are no having anything here, so you must have to check your hardware and then insert your SIM correctly. After that, you just have to scroll in control center, and here you have to make sure that you haven't enabled airplane mode or flight mode in your phone. If you have enabled, you must have to disable that. And after doing that, you have to make sure that you're having full cell signal. As you can see here on the phones, SIM 1 is full signal, but it's on SIM 2 is weak signal. So if you are having any signal problem, so you must have to troubleshoot for them. And after doing that, you just have to open your settings. If you're still having the same issue, open settings, go for main settings. From here, just go for general management or system management in your phone, and here just have a reset option, and here you must have to select reset mobile network settings. Just tap on it, and here you must have to tap on reset settings. If if you have enabled any setting which is showing, so you can easily disable that. Just tapping on reset setting, it will reset all of your network settings including your call setting. So if you are still having the same issue, so you must have to restart your phone. Just scroll down your control center, and here just tap on the power icon, then tap on restart, then restart again to restart your phone. So in this way you can easily fix an Android not receiving any call. But if you're still having an issue, so it may be there is a problem and your SIM card on your phone number is maybe blocked, so you must have to troubleshoot for them. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.